Everyone thinks the best-selling hairdryer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Revlon Compact Hairdryer. Priced at just $14.98, this little powerhouse caught my eye for its lightweight design, making it perfect for travel. If you want something easy to pack that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1,875 watts of power, it provides enough heat to dry your hair quickly without the bulk of a regular dryer. The 2 heat and speed settings let you customize your drying experience, while the Cool Shot button helps lock in your style. Plus, the compact design makes it a breeze to store or take with you on trips. Over 20,000 people bought this in just the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the lack of features compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a reliable, straightforward dryer without all the bells and whistles, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go or need a backup for travel. Skip this one if you're looking for professional styling tools or fancy features. For under $15, you really can't go wrong here.
Product number 2, Wavy Talk Hairdryer with Diffuser, Black. We have the Wavy Talk Hairdryer with Diffuser, which is priced at $34.97. I was impressed by its promise of 2 times faster drying time thanks to its 1,875 watt motor. If you want to speed up your drying process while still caring for your curls, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This dryer uses ionic technology that releases millions of negative ions to tame frizz and boost shine. With 3 attachments included, you can style your hair just the way you like, whether you want to define those curls with the diffuser or straighten out your locks with the comb attachment. It also has 3 temperature settings, giving you flexibility for every hair type. Its low radiation feature makes it safer for everyone in the family. Over 10,000 units sold in the last month shows it's gaining traction. Now, some users pointed out that it might feel a bit bulky in your hand, but honestly, if you're prioritizing fast drying and versatility, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have curly hair and want to minimize drying time. Skip this one if you prefer a super lightweight design. At under $35, it's a solid investment for hair care.
Product number 3, Wavy Talk Hairdryer with Diffuser, Rose Gold. Then there's the Wavy Talk Hairdryer in Classic Rose Gold, also priced at $34.97. Honestly, the color caught my attention first, but it's the features that seal the deal. If you're after a stylish yet functional dryer, this could be a winner. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like its black counterpart, it has the same powerful 1,875 watt motor and ionic technology for quick drying and frizz control. It comes with the same 3 attachments for different styling needs, making it incredibly versatile. The 3 heat settings mean you can tailor it to fit your specific hair type, and the safety features ensure peace of mind during use. Many people are loving this model, over 10,000 sold in the last month. However, some reviews noted that the plastic feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, when you consider the performance and style, the price point makes it a great deal. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of style and performance. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty commercial dryer. For the price, you're getting a really attractive and effective tool.
Product number 4, Revlon One-Step Volumizer Hairdryer. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer Hairdryer and Styler, priced at $44.95. I'll be real with you, this is a favorite for many, and for good reason. If you want to achieve salon-style results at home, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This dryer brush combines drying and styling in one step, which means less time spent on your hair. Its unique oval brush design helps to smooth and volumize while reducing frizz by 30%, thanks to ionic technology. With 3 heat and speed settings, you can adjust for your hair's needs. This is perfect for anyone looking for a quick solution without sacrificing style. Over 10,000 of these have been sold just this past month. Some users have mentioned the weight of the dryer can be a bit tiring during longer styling sessions, but honestly, if you're focused on getting that perfect blowout quickly, it's a small trade-off for the results. This is ideal for anyone wanting to simplify their styling routine. Skip this if you prefer separate tools for drying and styling. It's a great value for the time it saves.
Product number 5, Revlon Infrared Ionic Hairdryer. We have the Revlon Infrared Ionic Hairdryer, which is more difficult to price since it's currently not available, but it promises quality with its features. If you're serious about hair health and efficiency, this one is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The infrared heat technology helps maintain your hair's moisture while drying, preventing that dreaded overdrying and boosting shine. With a powerful 1875-watt motor, it dries your hair quickly, and the tourmaline ionic technology reduces frizz and flyaways. The inclusion of a diffuser and concentrator means you're set for any styling needs. Given that it's been purchased over 10,000 times recently, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users felt it didn't get hot enough for their liking. Here's my take. If you're looking for fast drying without the heat damage, this might actually be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you prioritize hair health and want an all-around versatile tool. Skip it if you need extreme heat for super thick hair. Ultimately, it's a smart investment for healthier hair.
So there you have it. From the compact and travel-friendly Revlon dryer to the stylish Wavy Talk options, each product brings something unique to the table. The Revlon One Step is a fantastic time saver, while the infrared model focuses on hair health. Choose based on your style, needs, and budget, and you can't go wrong.